Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle and today we are on the road. So remember I was telling you about a special guest that I have that's here. This is going to be a vehicle, shenanigans, some shopping and stuff. So if you want to see more, keep on watching. I know.
Lovely, let's have breakfast.
Lovelies, welcome back. I'm actually at my nephew's party and I'm in love. I'm not kidding, the candy store at this point, but I'm loving it. So we're gonna go down a slide and then just come along with me. Going up.
Ladies, we're going right. Oh Lord! Ride it, ride it, ride it.
Lovelies, good morning. I don't know how much of a good morning this is because it's a blizzard and I have to go to work. I don't know, of all days, I could be working from home. The blizzard came when I'm working in office. This is not good. This is not good. Take a look at this. Like, this is a ghetto, I swear. Imagine I come to this place and leave my good, hot, nice country to this? To this? Nah. Slow and steady does it at this point, because this is not giving what it's supposed to give at all. Look at that. I mean, it is what it is.